How to mute someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to mute someone on Instagram. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram app, and after that just simply click on the messenger section from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply select the person that you would want to mute. So for example, I want to mute this particular chat right here which says digital all due. So just simply long press on this particular chat right here, and over here you will be able to see the option called mute messages. Just simply tap on it, and now you have the option to mute them for 1 hour, for 8 hours, 24 hours, and until you will change the setting yourself. So you can select from the given option right here. So I'm selecting for 8 hours, and as you can see that this bell icon which is crossed has been marked on this particular chat right here. That means this person has been mute successfully. So this is basically how you will be able to mute someone on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.